and welcome to my kitchen today. So today I want to make pasta because I don't know why I'm just craving it. I actually forgot where I found this recipe from, but I have been sort of making pasta like this since I don't know, 3 years, 4 years, I don't remember. It's been a long time. Yeah, let's see how it goes and we can do a little chit chat also while this cooks. I've taken bow tie pasta. I think it's called farfalle. I don't know how you pronounce it, but basically these cute little bow tie pastas. I just love this shape. I love this rigatoni and penne the most. We are gonna cook this first. We have to boil it al dente, whatever. So pasta needs salt to boil. So I'm just putting like 2 spoons. I think this should be enough. While that's happening, let's talk. Just come out of a bath. It's funny how when I take these videos, I'm like fresh and like just out of the bath. Anyway, fun fact, my brother is a chef actually. He's a professional chef and he makes food like really good. I don't make it that well obviously, but mine is very like homely and like a lot of jugadu and like, is it jugad or jugadu? I don't know. So the water is boiling and I'm gonna add to this the pasta. Italians are gonna kill me for making pasta like this. But I'm gonna add like a tiny bit of ghee just so that it won't stick. Yeah, let's wait for it to boil. Let it boil. I already have my veggies chopped up. I have this really nice Didi who comes home and like helps me with like the chopping and like cleaning and all of that. It's very difficult to cook with an infant in the house, so I can use all the help I can get. So she's very nicely chopped all the things that I need. I'm not putting much. So this is like a bowl of mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Okay, so the bowl of mushrooms, some garlic and onion. Looks like I gave her less onion, but yeah, I can hear my baby cry. BRB. You know what phantom cries are? Basically, you think something is happening, but it's not happening. So yeah, my baby was not crying. Okay, the water is just like steaming. The secret ingredient, the thing that makes it creamy, tasty, plus protein packed is this. Okay, like it's paneer. I've got a high protein paneer. It's supposed to have 40 grams of protein, it seems. I don't know. So what we're gonna do is, we're not gonna cut it into cubes, but we are gonna grate it. So let me do that. I'm gonna use this nice grater and I'm just gonna take a plate and just start grating. Basically, I've just taken this block and I'm just like scraping it on the side, and then we get these nice paneer, shaved paneer. So yeah, I'm gonna do that with the whole block, BRB. Okay, so I have my paneer grated, all these ready, and the water is boiling. Okay, so I took out a pasta to see if it's done. Let's see. Al dente. I have an inner monologue in my head the whole day. The whole day. I know there are some people who don't have it, and I just can't believe that there are people without an inner monologue. But like, I have one, okay? I have to, like, my brain keeps talking to me, and now this is like, I feel like such a healthy way of sort of, you know, channeling that creatively, if that makes any sense. So yeah, something as mundane as, you know, making myself pasta, I'm like, you know, let's make something creative out of it, right? So that is just, I'm just so happy that I'm finally doing this and like sharing a little bit of my life. I want to take more vlogs, show you like, you know, how my day goes, and that also sort of motivates me to always be at my best. I'm just glad I'm doing this because it's like mostly for myself. And you guys, whoever's watching, love you. Can you see the steam of the spoon? I'm adding ghee to saute everything, but you can also use olive oil. I used a lot of garlic. I love garlic. I feel like it goes well with pasta. And then you add the onions and basically saute all of that until it's like very soft and aromatic. Next, you saute in the mushrooms, and this is the secret. Okay, you add a little bit of Kitchen King masala. Any Kitchen King masala will work, and this basically brings out the nice flavor. And trust me, guys, just trust me on this. It just makes it taste better. Okay, so once that's sauteed in, you can add the paneer, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and it's good to go to mix with the pasta. Okay guys, it's done and it looks like this. It doesn't look too fancy because it doesn't have the cheese or the cheese pull or anything like that. But trust me, it might not look good, but it is amazing. It tastes really good. Wait, let me show you. Let me just take a nice bite with mushrooms and the grated paneer. Or it's so good. It's protein packed. You can make it even more like protein with like chicken and all of that. Do try it and let me know. Welcome. And I'm gonna enjoy my pasta. See you later. Bye.